Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the clip size so replacements match. This prevents wasted time. Once you remove one vane by sliding its top hook out, you'll see the header rail and broken carrier. Use a small screwdriver to pry open the rail cover and needle nose pliers to extract the snapped clip. Make sure to support adjacent carriers so the track doesn't shift. This keeps alignment intact while you work. Next, insert the replacement carrier clip into the track. Push it firmly until you feel a click, because a loose clip causes misalignment later. Then align the carrier pin with the vane's top hook and hook it back on. This secures rotation and vertical movement. If the clip resists seating, tap gently with a rubber mallet. Avoid metal hammers to prevent damage. Once seated, slide several adjacent vanes briefly to confirm smooth travel before reassembling the headrail cover. Finally, snap the headrail cover back into place, confirming every clip engages so the rail stays rigid. Then operate the blinds through a full sweep. Open, close, and rotate the vanes to ensure consistent motion. Make sure to observe for catching or wobble. If present, check for debris in the track and replace adjacent carriers because one worn piece often means nearby stress. If the motorized system still hesitates, inspect the drive chain and retention.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.